Good morning everyone. Welcome back to the online class arranged by St. Joseph's Academy, Mariamnagar, Ghaziabad. This is your moral science class and today we are going to start our revision of unit test 1. So firstly we are going to revise our chapter 1, the gift. The gift. What happened to Papa? Getting late. Anu was anxious. Papa had promised to take me to the town for the flower show. Hi, here comes Papa. Anu was waiting for her father, who has promised her to take her to the flower show going on in the town these days. After waiting for a long, her father came and they both depart from home to the way of flower show. Anu ran and took his hands. Papa, don't we go for the flower show now? Sure, dear. So, Anu and Papa both depart from the home to the flower show. Anu was in another world on her way to the town. She was not bothered about the shops or decorations on the roadside. Anu was very excited for seeing different types of flowers in the show. Thinking about the show, she didn't even notice the decoration on the roadside. They reached the town where the flower show was going on. Wow, what a beauty! What a variety! What colors! So finally Anu and Papa both reached to the flower show and she was very happy to see the beauty, variety and the colors of the different kinds of flowers. Papa, why don't we have these flowers in our garden? After seeing these flowers, Anu got sad and asked her father, why don't we have these flowers in our garden? Then father answered, each plant needs suitable climate and soil, like you, my dear. Then what did her father answer? He answered that every flower needs suitable climate and soil. Like me, Anu was curious. Now Anu got curious about this and then father explained to her. Yes, long ago God the Creator thought of you and prepared Mama and Papa earlier for you. After setting everything, God created you. So, father explained to Anu that God give you life after preparing all necessary things for you, like Mama and Papa. Is it God who gave me life? Sure, your life is the most wonderful gift of God. Think of all those children who do not have a chance to lead a happy life like you. Anu's father tells her that God created all living things and non-living things. We should thank God for all that we have, and especially for our life, because some people does not have life like us. God blessed me with body and mind, hands and legs, eyes and ears, nose and mouth, hair and head, and everything. I am God's special gift, isn't it, Papa? Now, Anu understood that it's God who gave her a beautiful mind, body, hands and legs, eyes and ears, nose and mouth, hair and head, and everything. And she promised to Papa that she will always thank God for everything He gave her. Anu, you must make your life a blessing. Yes, Papa, I will thank God every day. I will do good to all. And at last, when Anu understood all these things, she promised to Papa that she will always do good to all, and she will also thank God every day. So dear children, what we learned from this chapter? We learned that we should always thank God for everything, because many people does not have the things we have. Now let's come to the exercise. First of all, we have given an activity on page 7. Activity 3. We have given a sentence in which we have to fill different words with using different colors. So, complete the sentences. First of all, first sentence is dash life is a gift of God. Then, whose life is a gift of God? Mine. My life is a gift of God. The next sentence is my dash is a gift of God. So what is the gift of God? My life is a gift of God. Then third is my life is dash. So my life is what? So my life is, who gave us our life and as what? So the answer is my life is a gift of God. God has gifted us this life, no? So my life is a gift of God. Now let's write it again. My life is a gift of God. Children, you will fill in the blanks by yourself. Firstly, you will learn the sentence, then you will write the correct answer. Moving to the next question. Fill in the blanks. Number 1. Dash to hear. What we use to hear? We use ears to hear. Dash to see. What we use to see? We use our eyes to see. Dash to clap. Hands to clap. Legs to walk. What we use to walk? We use our legs to walk. Dash to sing. What we use to sing? We use through our mouth. Mouth to sing. Dash to smell. Nose to smell. In this question also you will learn all the answers and then you will write by yourselves. Now let's do questions and answers. Our first question is, who gave us everything? So who gave us everything? God gave us everything. Question 2. What is God's most precious gift to you? So, what we learn from the chapter? The life. The life which God gave us is the most precious gift to us. So, the answer is, the God's most precious gift to me is my life. Dear children, you will learn all the questions and answers, fill in the blanks and complete the sentences by yourselves, and then you will write it in your moral science notebook. This was our revision of chapter 1. We will meet again with a new video in which we will revise our chapter 2. Till then, please be careful and be safe. Thank you.